Hi, this is most demo Design is Code. Design's Code is about disciplined software design. We generate deterministic, clean, maintainable, testable code. Firstly, we go to why we want to use Design's Code. Because you probably already see it. A lot of people generate code just using AI, and they don't actually own the architecture. They don't understand the content. Then if we commit the code into the production, no one can maintain it. And actually, it's unfair. You have to spend a lot of time on the reviewing, but the people who generate it actually don't care. How it works is firstly, we want to establish the truth. You have to understand your code base. Then we draw the design, use the UML format. And firstly, we will generate the unit test to verify each of the interaction in your design. In the end, we will generate a fully testable, maintainable code for you. You probably already can feel there is a gap. No one can give you the design. I have built a tool named DisC Studio, which will help you to do the software design. I will give you a quick demo about that. In the beginning, you connect to your code base. Then we do the software design. The third party actually is important. The team have to sign off on the design. In the last step, we just generate a good and clean code for you. So first step, we connect to your local database and continue. You input your user story and the other requirements like AC. In my scenario, in my case, I'm using the Spring Framework Pet Clinic example. You can see I'm adding a new feature that is for different pet. You're gonna have different fee for the second visit within a period of month. Within a period, you click the analyze button. We will firstly analyze what your code base is based on the new requirement. We summarize it in a higher level. The reason we do that is we want to find the abstractions. The things will fit into the flow, and we will decompose the concepts, and we extract the entities in the flow, and we also find out the participants in the flow. In the end, we generate the UML sequence diagram for you. You review it, you feel good, then you go to the third step, which is the team sign off. The team member have to read the story and the ACs, and they have to understand what is the design here. When everyone agreed, we tick the checkbox. We're gonna go to the last step, which is to generate the code for you. In the last step, we list all the entities and the participants, and we generate a plant UML format design and export to your project, and you click run it for me. Say Cloud Code, in my case, will generate the code for you. Actually, well, I already done this code generation, so let's have a look. On the right, I'm just using the latest model from Anthropic. We can have a look. The model is currently I'm using the Opus 4.8. I'm using the same user story as using in the on the left, which is generated by the DisC, which is a DisC Studio. You put into the user story and the AC, and you generate it. The result actually, as you can see, it have two file changes. One is the production code named visit fee calculator, and another one is the test. If you have look the one big file, this should not have technical issue. The only issue is it doesn't follow the single responsibility. Next time when you try to add a new type, for example, a rabbit, you have to modify this file. It also violates the open close principle. One big file, if you have more things here, you're gonna lost your understanding to this file, because we are testing using a very simple scenario. You know it's gonna grow and eventually it will lost the control. Say test is in the integration test style. I can't say much about that. Just it's not a real unit test style. You cannot verify your elements. So let's have a look on the DisC Studio generated result. In the beginning, you can see it will extract the abstractions or contracts in the beginning listed here, and you have the other elements will be extracted here. Sorry, my cat. This is the orchestrator level. You can see how do we calculate the visit fee is we get our pet, and we get the name, we get the rules, we get the last visit. Based on all these criteria, we calculate the fee. You can see it relies on a lot of concepts rather than the concrete classes. So based on that, you can have look the unit test is we have each of the concept being mocked. We verify each of the concept being do the right thing. In the end, we're gonna verify, we're gonna assert we get the real result. It feels like we want the right person at the right time do the right thing. This is kind of my understanding to test-driven development. Each of the concepts have their own implementations, so they can evolve separately. Next time when you change one thing, add a new type, you don't have to change the orchestrator. Yes, this is a DesignIsCode.AI, and this is my product MVP. Thanks for watching. Please give me some comments, and yeah, thank you.